In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Wrike. Keeping your time zone correct in Wrike is really important because it affects how tasks' start dates, due dates, and notifications appear for you. If your time zone is off, you might see tasks due earlier or later than they actually are, which can be confusing for you and your team. So let's walk through how to update it step by step. First, open Wrike in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. At the top of your workspace, look toward the upper left area of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your personal menu. When that menu opens, you'll see several options related to your account. From this list, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you out of the main workspace view and into your account settings area, where you can adjust things like your personal details and preferences. Once the settings page loads, look for the section or tab called Profile. In many layouts, it appears as a clearly labeled option you can click. Select Profile to open your personal profile settings. This is where Wrike keeps information that's specific to you, such as your name, language, and time zone. Now that you're in your profile, scroll through the page until you find the time zone setting. It's usually displayed as a drop-down menu showing a city or a GMT offset, like GMT+1 or GMT5. Click on the time zone field and you'll see a list of available time zones. From the list, choose the time zone that matches your current location or the region you work in most often. If you're not sure which one to pick, look for a major city in your region that shares your time zone. Taking a moment to select the right option ensures that your task deadlines and calendar events line up with your actual local time. After you've selected your new time zone, follow any on-screen prompts to save your changes. This might mean clicking a Save, Apply, or Update button at the bottom or top of the page. Once you confirm the change, Wrike will adjust how times and dates are displayed for your account moving forward. And that's all you need to do to change the time zone in Wrike.